Hello, my friends, followers, listeners, and dear traders. How are you all? Hope all be fine and doing very awesome. The boom and crash. Look here, only boom and crash. The robot work today. $32 is profit. Okay, let me show you the last week. Deposit 100 and 180 is withdrawal, and look here, the withdrawal is $130. And the last month. Deposit $280 and the profit $787 and the withdrawal is 788.68. This is our robot is working very awesome. If you want to buy, I'm going to announce again, if you want to buy, the price now we fixed on $40 one account license. If you want to buy, simply contact details in description. Okay, contact me. There is no any demo, there is no any other. Direct buy our robot and set on boom and crush and make profit. Okay, so this is the history of real account. $280 deposit and 787 is withdrawal, and safe work of robot. I hope you all guys understand. And the 2A is there, $32. And last week 100 deposit and 180 is profit, and this is the withdrawal. Okay.